Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, students. This is lecture 4. In this lecture, I'll tell you about change of tenses from direct to indirect sentences. Students, listen. If you will find direct sentence having these helping verbs, so these helping verbs will be changed from direct to indirect speech like this. Is MR will be changed into was were. Was were will be changed into had been. First form of verb without helping verb in the sentence will be changed into second form of verb. Second form of verb did will be changed into had with third form of verb. Will, shall, would. Has, have, had. Can, could. Don't, doesn't, did not. Did, had with third form of verb. Will be, shall be changed into would be. Will have, shall have will be changed into would have. Will have, shall have, would have. Will have been, shall have been will be changed into would have been. Must will be changed into had or would have to, or left unchanged. Students, you also can understand through and pay attention what I'm going to say. Students, instead of this list of helping verbs, you can listen what I'm saying. Present indefinite of reporting part will be changed into if reporting part having present indefinite, it will be changed into past indefinite. Present continuous will be changed into past continuous. Present perfect will be changed into past perfect. Past indefinite will be changed into past perfect. And past perfect will be changed into past perfect continuous. This is a rule. Another thing, student, you have to note down. I have told you 6 rules. 7th rule is that if reporting part having present tense or future tense, it means if reporting part having first form of verb along with addition of s and es and use of will and shall with first form, then there will be no change in reported part. So students, note it down and understand the rules. Now go through with examples. If the following helping verbs are found in the reported speech sentence, then there would be no change and these would remain unchanged. Had been, had, would be, should be, would have, should have, might, could have to, ought to, used to. It is necessary to mention here that the change of tense in some sentences only take place for one time. Example, if there is can in the sentence, then it would be changed into could. But the first form of verb with it will be never be changed into second form. Similarly, students, but if you find a reported speech sentence which has more than one sentence, then the change of tense will take place again in the second sentence. Remember, second sentence starts from a new subject, or if you find comma, and if that which who, because in the end of one sentence then the change of tense will again be applicable. For example, he said to me, I cannot do this task because I am quite tired. It would be changed as, he told me that he could not do that task because he was quite tired. So student, that's all about the change of tenses. You have to follow the rules and apply through sentences. See you. Allah Hafiz.